Today's video is the most important video, which is about the formatting of the question that you get in your board education. This is the second year chemistry, and the model paper that I am going to discuss today with you is for the year 2025. The total marks for chemistry paper is 85, which comprises of three sections. Section A, that is multiple choice question, Section B, which is short question answer, and Section C, that will be the detailed answer questions. Section A comprises of 17 multiple choice questions. Each MCQ carry 1 mark, which makes it a total of 17 MCQs. Section B comprises of short answer questions, which makes it a total of 36 marks. From these short answer questions, you have to attempt a total of 9 questions. In chemistry, you have inorganic and organic chemistry. So 4 short questions must be attempted from the inorganic and 5 should be attempted from the organic chemistry. How many questions do you get in total? You get a total of 14 short question answers, 7 in inorganic and 7 for organic chemistry. So from these 7 questions of inorganic, you have to attempt 4 questions, and from 7 organic questions, you have to attempt 5 questions. Keep in mind that in inorganic, 4 and for organic, 5 questions must be attempted. If you attempt extra questions or less questions, then your marks will be deducted, nor you will get any extra credits. Here you can see that in inorganic you have a total of 7 questions. From these 7 questions you have to attempt 4 short question answers. We have a total of 13 chapters, in which we have chapter 1 and 2 as the major chapters from the inorganic, and few more topics are also included from the chapters ahead. Each question carry 4 marks, which makes it a total of 9 times 4, that is 36. Here you can see that we have the flame test, scientific reasons. You have to attempt any one among them. IUPAC that you get from the chapter 2. Chemistry of the D block elements, you get it from the chapter 2. Metallurgy of copper, chapter 2. Nylon and polyvinyl chloride, that is from the chapters that we have ahead. Greenhouse gases from the environmental chemistry, definitions, and some the significant uses for the metals. Same for the organic chemistry, you have a total of 7 questions, and from these 7 questions you have to attempt 5 short question answers. First you get definition and the difference like a short note. IUPAC that you get from the chapter number 4. Free mechanism reaction, that is from the chapter 5. Same the chiral carbon and plane polarized light. Some scientific reasoning and detailed question answers. Laboratory test, chemical reactions, and the reaction of the Grignard reagent. Keep in mind that from short question answers, the total short question answers that you have to attempt is 9. 4 from the inorganic out of 7 and 5 from the organic out of 7. So inorganic you get a choice of 3 questions, and for organic you get the choice of 2 questions. For the detailed answer questions, which is section C, its mark is 32 marks. Same criteria will be followed. You have inorganic and organic chemistry, and 1 detailed question must be attempted from both the sections, which means you get 2 detailed questions, and from these 2 you must attempt 1 question. Keep that in mind that when you attempt the question, and you select the question that you want to write down, you have to write both the parts. For example, for this inorganic chemistry, you have question number 3 and question number 4. You can see that question number 3 has two parts, which is part A and part B. Same goes for question number 4, that it has two parts, which is part A and part B. If you select question number 3, which means you have to attempt part A as well as part B. It is not possible that you attempt A part of question 3 and B part of question number 4. If you do such thing, then you will not get the mark and your marks will be deducted. So A and B part of the question that you select must be attempted. Same goes for the organic chemistry. It also has two detailed question answers, which is part A and part B. If you select question number 5, then for question number 5 you have to attempt part A as well as part B. It is not possible that you attempt one part of question number 5 and one part from question number 6. If you do such thing in your board examination, then your marks will be deducted. Complete questions, which means both the part from one question must be attempted. For detailed question answers, you have marking of 32 marks for two descriptives, which makes it 16 marks for one long question answer or the detailed answer question. In each question, you have two parts, which makes each part of 8 marks. So question 3A carry 8 marks, B carries 8 marks, which makes it a total of 16 marks. Similarly, for organic chemistry, the question number 5 carry 8 marks and question number B also carries 8 marks, which makes it a total of 16 marks. 16 plus 16 becomes 32. So you have the part A and B, a combine of 16 marks, and you attempt two detailed questions, so it becomes 32 marks. So this is the complete marks distribution or the scheme for the board examination for the second year chemistry. Section A, Section B and Section C. Section A comprises of 17 multiple choice questions. Section B comprises of short question answers, 4 from inorganic, 5 from organic, 4 marks for each question, so 9 times 4 is 36 marks in total. Section C comprises of detailed question answers, which is each part carry 8 marks, so it makes it a total of 16 times 2, that is 32 marks. 17 plus 36 plus 32 makes it a question paper of 85 marks. This is all for today. Thank you so much.